Hi SUDSOL members, today I'm going to give you a quick overview of the SUDSOL website. When you first log into the site, you'll be on the articles page. If you're not directed there, you can click on the member home link, which will take you to that articles page. This is where all of our most recent posts are listed. Anything that's been recently added or updated is shown here. And there is also a spot for our polls. You'll also see recent pins listed here and recent posts listed. So this is kind of your landing spot to get started. To look at any article, you can either click on the title of the article or on the picture, and it will bring up the whole details for that article. You can also sort articles by the type that they are, their category. So business articles, if you wanted to see all of Rhonda Wade's videos, you could click on that, and that would bring up just the videos that Rhonda has done for us under the business section. And there's a variety of other subcategories here, catalog files, color charts, etc. Or classes and workshop planners, then you would see just the classes or workshop planners. So this is the main articles area. The Stampin' Board is another very important section of our site. This is where you'll find all of the items that have been shared. If you click on the most recent posts, it'll take you to a Pinterest-like board, which shows all of the most recent samples that have been added. You keep scrolling down and it's just going to keep showing you more and more and more. So lots of great stuff here. I wanted to show you that you can also look at this board by stamp set name. So if you click on the SU stamp sets, then it'll show you an alphabetical list of all of the stamp sets. You can click on one of the stamp set names. It then will bring up the board that has the samples for those. Every stamp set also has the index from the Stampin' Up! Page as well, so you can see those. You can also look at the top users, who has the most followers, and look at their posts by user as well. And lastly, you can look at your boards. Your boards are the boards that you've set up using the little plus sign up here to add board. You can set up your boards any way you want, so whatever is most comfortable for you, most organized, however your brain thinks, you can set up the boards the way you like them. Everybody starts with a My Favorite Cards board so that you have a board to start with, but you can add as many different boards as you'd like using this Add Board. You can also look at the categories for the samples. So if you said, okay, well, I just want to look at patterns, then you could click on the patterns category and it would show you the samples that have been loaded that have been categorized as patterns. So there's a variety of different categories you can select there. The next section of our website is the discussion forum. This is where demonstrators will share and talk and ask questions, and this is the main page for that. It's broken up by section, so that you can say, okay, I just want to look at what's new at Stampin' Up! And you'll get the list of topics about new items at Stampin' Up! So there's a whole section of stuff there. One of the great tools is this Instant Icons tool. Allows you to be able to add an icon layout. If you have a project and you want to show the stamp set and the inks and the markers and everything that you use to create that project, you can use this to create a visual thing for your website, for your blog, that'll show the visual pictures of all the product numbers. The last area is the community area. This is where we have our chat area, so you can chat with other demonstrators. We run a weekly business chat every Wednesday night that is held in this area. There is a mobile app version of it that you can download, and you can click there to get more details. Sometimes it takes a minute or so for this to come up, especially when my kids are home during the summer and streaming, so that does end up coming up. You'll find a member directory of the members on SUDSOL. You should be listed in there if you're a paid member. The poll questions that we ask on the main page, there's an archive so you can see the prior info. And then if you need help with SUDSOL, here's your spot to start and look. We have a whole bunch of how-to videos. This one will be placed in there. We have tours of the site, and there's ways to contact us. And there's also down at the bottom here in the corner another way to contact us using the either online chat if we're online, or the offline. If we're not there, then you can leave a message. We hope you enjoyed this short tour. Welcome to SUDSOL and enjoy. Bye.